Hello everyone, welcome to our show. It's winter time and everyone in my family got cold. I wanted to try some recipe that will give them some relief from cold, and I came across this candy called ginger candy, very famous in Tamil Nadu. This will give them instant relief from nasal congestion and sore throat. So I'm going to try this recipe and let's see how it helps. Let's get started. So the main ingredient, ginger. I have peeled off the skin. Now I'm going to cut it into small pieces and grind it to paste. Cut into pieces, put it in a mixer. Now I'm adding milk, just a little bit of milk, and I'm going to grind it. So our ginger paste is ready, and the next ingredient is sugar. I'm taking same amount as ginger paste, and I'm using brown sugar today. You can use the regular white sugar also. And also we need 2 spoons of rice flour. And also I'm using 2 cloves and 1 cardamom. Now I want to powder these 2 clove and cardamom, but it is difficult to powder this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar also with that, and I'm going to grind it. The powder is ready. I'm just adding it to our sugar bowl itself. Now take a pan, just turn on the heat on a mild flame, and then we can add our sugar along with that clove and cardamom powder. Just add it. And then we can also add our ginger paste. Now keep stirring it until the sugar completely melts. Just keep doing this. So it's been a while. I can see all those heat bubbles. Now I'm adding rice flour, 2 spoons of rice flour, and keep stirring this until it becomes like a thick dough. So keep stirring it. So it became so thick now. So I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer it to a plate. I have greased the plate with ghee. Adding our ginger paste here. So let it cool for a while, and before it gets too hard, we have to cut it into small pieces using a knife. I'll grease the knife with a little ghee so that it will help in easy cutting. Just cut it gently. There's our ginger candies. Please give a try, and thanks for watching.